AI video keeps getting better, introducing Kling in 4K.
So in the video making world, we got a huge update today. That is Kling that now outputs in 4K. So I think technically this is still considered Kling 3.0, but now it can do 4K. So before I start, I'm just going to be playing this UGC concept. You may recognize it from my last video. It's the exact same concept, except for this time it's in landscape and we're testing Kling and how well it can create a UGC. And like before, the image was created with ChatGPT's image 2.
Okay, this is how I start every single morning. 1 scoop cold water, that is literally it. And my skin, my energy, my gut, completely different. Try it for a week, you will get it.
So my first impressions with this is there's obviously some things you can see are wrong. Personally, I think the green of the liquid is a little bit off. It wouldn't really look like that. Second off, the background audio, it does look like the person is narrating it. And this is something similar to how Seedance operated. But I think one of the biggest tells is at the end when she talks.
Try it for a week, you will get it.
There's something to do with like the voice inflection where it just doesn't sound like a genuine recommendation of the product. And that's one thing I noticed on Kling. There's just a little bit of issues where the voices just aren't up to speed with Seedance or Kling, but the visuals definitely are. Just look at all the body movements and looks for like pixelation stuff. It looks so incredibly good.
Different. Try it for a week, you will get it.
So if you're new to the channel and you want to make something just like that, I'll have the exact prompts that I used, link in the description. It's the same exact prompt that I did in my Seedance video. In fact, I recommend you watch that if you haven't already, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it on Kling. It's pretty much the same, but they have this little multi-shot feature right here. So you just pop this open and then you can just put the description for each shot. So for example, this would be the first shot. We don't need this text because it talks about the seconds. We just copy this part in and then we paste it into here. Make sure this is 3 seconds and then have shot 2. Make sure that that's the same amount of seconds that it's correlated to. And then just do plus shot until you have all your shots. So pretty simple. That's the only really difference between Kling and Seedance. Unfortunately, you can't give it a voice file. So that's one of the downsides when it comes to Kling. But basically your setting, you can have the start frame right here. And then you can pop up these settings in the corner and then 4K. And then one thing I wanted to note is you could always upscale in the past to 4K, but upscaling is completely different than actually rendering in 4K. 4K makes the skin and everything look incredibly good. And as you can see, the intro to this video, it doesn't look perfect. And I think that's more based on the image I gave it. But as you saw with this other file that I gave it, the result was pretty good. But I'm going to be quickly playing the vertical version I rendered because it rendered out a little bit differently. And I spent like $6 on it. So let's just watch it.
Okay, this is how I start every single morning. 1 scoop cold water, that is literally it. And my skin, my energy, my gut, completely different. Try it for a week, you will get it. Okay, this is...
So the beginning part is synced up to the lips. So I think this rendered it a lot better. You're going to get a bunch of variations in terms of how many times you render the video. For example, right here, I rendered it a ton just for the intro. So you're always going to get good and bad renders. But let's quickly go into the pricing. Now the pricing, it's a little confusing. This is basically how much the credits cost. We're on Kling AI. I'm sure you can use this on a bunch of APIs now and just pay with dollars. But essentially for a 6-second video, we're looking at about $2.50, and then we're looking at like over $6 for the longer videos I posted. So it's definitely very expensive and very similar to Seedance, but Seedance is only 1080. This is 4K, so you know it's technically 4 times higher resolution. And because I did spend a bit of money on Kling making this video, I want to give a shout out to my school community. This is for marketers, creators, and business owners that want to dive deep into generative AI video and in specific get all the templates I use to get over 950 million views in the last few months on my page Lifehack on Instagram, as well as all my course content that's constantly getting updated. The link will be in the description. Now I wanted to react to Kling's official video that they posted on this new model. One of the things you'll notice is they're highlighting a lot of nature and a lot of like ASMR stuff, which is extremely good in Kling. Like I said, the voices are a little bit off sometime, and I know they're probably working with that frantically in the background, but Kling is made to be more of like a cinematic shots kind of AI platform. And as you can see, these close-ups to nature, you know, swords, action, all of that it does extremely well. And you can't underplay how good 4K looks. I mean, for example, Veo is stuck on rendering in I think 720, and then you have to upscale that. That's just ridiculous. Like, we need Veo 4 ASAP. We are getting leapfrogs over and over again, Seedance and Kling with updates like every single week. But when it comes to Google and Veo, it's been a long time since we've gotten an actual good update. I think the last update that they did, I think the last update with Veo is now you can do like 4-second renders instead of 8 seconds. And 8 seconds being a limiter is also super annoying. Seedance and Kling go up to 15 seconds, so it's so much more usable for content. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. I just want to show off the new technology and how you can use it, and I'll see you guys later.